Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video for your Windows PC. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix access deny as you do not have significant privilege or the disk may be locked by other process. So you have to invoke this utility running in elevated mode and make sure the disk is unlocked in your Windows 10. So let's fix the problem. First of all, go to your search option here, and here type CMD, and now that is command prompt, and right click it here and select run as administrator here and select yes again. Now just type here chkdsk and enter. As you can see, this will pop up. This type of file is NTFS and it will take a few seconds uh, to fix the problem. Just wait and your problem will be fixed. And this is the way you can fix this problem. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.